Style extends to much more than just good fitting clothes and shoes. Much of it exists in the detail that the average man tends to ignore. One of these details is grooming and skincare. We tend to associate skincare and grooming with women mostly, and a lot of men think that it threatens their masculinity or that they don't really need it. We are men and we don't need it. Well, my friend, you're wrong. You, my friend, can be the best dressed guy in the room, but if you smell bad or you've got an Amazon forest coming out of your nose, how are you going to impress that girl or make an impression in that important business meeting that you've been working so hard for? The trick isn't to spend a fortune on 1,000 different products or to lock yourself in the bathroom for hours at a time. Rather, you should develop a daily or a weekly grooming routine that is quick and simple. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 8 tips and tricks about grooming that every man must follow. Alright, so let's see what these men's grooming tips really are. Number 1. A haircut and a beard trim or shave, whatever your choice is. If you've noticed that your hair has grown, the others have noticed it too. So it's always better to get a haircut every 2 or 3 weeks. That's my suggestion, rest is up to you. And keep your facial hair in check too, whatever it is that you prefer. If you're a clean shaven guy, then make sure that you shave every alternate day. If you prefer to keep a stubble, then make sure that your beard neckline, your cheek line and your nose lines are proper. And if you prefer a beard, then I'd suggest that you get a trim every alternate week. Number 2. Nails. No one wants to see your dirty long nails. Make sure that you clip your nails once a week at least, both your toes and your hands. Number 3. Your body hair. Keep it in check. For example, your ear hair, nose hair and even your eyebrows. Get yourself a nice trimmer. With multiple options ideally, it will make your life so much easier and happier. You should definitely use your trimmer to trim your ear hair and nose hair. And if you've got excessive body hair, then you can try trimming that too. Or go for waxing instead. There's no shame in that. Now for instance, my eyebrows. They always want to meet each other in the middle right here. So I have to get them plugged out and make sure that I go to the salon every 2 weeks to get them done. It's a really important part of looking well groomed. Number 4. Wear a cologne. It's really important to smell good. And I would recommend at least having 2 colognes, one a lighter note for the day or your office and a darker note for your evening or night out with friends. For your day perfumes, I would recommend an Issey Miyake La Eau d'Issey or Polo by Ralph Lauren. While for your evening perfumes, go for a little darker note. For example, what I prefer is an Armani Acqua di Gio Black or a Black Invictus. Number 5. Facial skincare. It's really important to develop a facial skincare routine. I'd recommend washing your face at least twice daily. Use a natural ingredient face wash. You can wash your face, pat dry it, and then apply a deep moisturizer on your skin to take care of it. Number 6. No bad breath. Dude, this one is a make or break kind of a deal. If you've done everything right so far and you open your mouth to have a conversation and you smell bad, you're done. I'd recommend that you brush your teeth at least twice daily. Ideally, they say that you should do it after every meal, but that's too much even for me. And the next thing that you can do is keep a mint handy in your car, in your bag, at all times. Number 7. Moisturize. Our skin gets dehydrated with so much of pollution in the air, the UV rays, heat, humidity and whatnot. So it's really important to moisturize your skins after you take a shower once in the morning. You can choose an all-in-one body and face lotion to keep things very simple. Number 8. And the final grooming hygiene that every man must follow is taking care of your intimate health and hygiene. Form a regular intimate hygiene grooming routine and stick with it. I made a detailed video on this topic. I'll share a link with you in the description below and you can also check the link on the top. There you have it, the most essential grooming tips for men. And now that you've watched this video all the way to the end, it's time to reward you with a bonus tip. So here it is. Lifestyle has got a big role to play in your overall grooming. In order to look good, smell good and feel good, you've got to start with 3 basic things. You've got to eat well, you've got to sleep well and you have to exercise. It'll definitely change your lives. It's changed mine for sure. What kind of grooming routines do you guys have? I'd love to hear from you. Tell me more about it in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is me Rahul Badesra signing out, and remember friends, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.